Kia ora guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another summer holiday vlog. We've got 4 trucks out here and we're just going for a wee play down near Lake Benmore. We've got myself and Josh and Lando, Matt and Flynn Zook, my sister and Shannon and her pretty stock disco that you'll be surprised how well it goes, and then mum, dad and my auntie in dad's red disco. So nice wee line up of trucks, good ratio of Land Rovers to non-Land Rovers.
What?
That's rich coming from Land Rover owners.
One Land Rover, one Suzuki and 2 Honda Crossroads?
Oh! Anyway, we're just airing down now, so we'll drop the tyre pressures down, and we've got the first obstacle right in front of us over here. Nice wee water crossing to start things off. Right guys, well we've barely driven a K or 2 off-road, and we've already got half the convoy down for the count. Flynn's truck started running on 3 cylinders, probably due to all the water work that we were playing in a day or 2 ago. So just got a bit of water down one of the coil packs and just running on 3, so we're just sorting that on Flynn's truck there. And then unfortunately Susanna's truck literally just died out of nowhere. Just absolutely no sign of life, so we're just checking for spark, and yeah, we'll go from there. Could have not done it
Righto guys, so what we've got going on here is a suspected dead coil in Susanna's truck. So what we're going to do is just quickly pull the coil out of Lando and quickly chuck it into Susanna's truck just to ascertain whether that's actually the issue. And hopefully there isn't a bigger issue at fault that cooks Tim's coil at the same time, which would be slightly inconvenient. But we'll give it a shot and see what happens.
Present. That one there.
Right guys, so as you saw, we flicked the coil across from Tim's truck into Susanna's truck and did nothing. So we've, by logic, we've deduced that the problem lies elsewhere. So we'll quickly throw the coil back into Tim's truck and keep looking.
Right, well, in what has been an absolute flop of a trip, we have kind of decided that it's likely going to be ignition module or something like that. So what we're going to do is just hook the truck up, I believe, and we'll just tow it back to camp. We can figure it out there because it's really hot and there's no shade, and Susanna's going skydiving shortly, so we don't want to miss that either. So, well, the decision's been made. Susanna's going to get towed back to camp by Dad, and then Lando and the Zook, we're going to continue on. Flynn's got the Zook running better now. The coils are dried out, coil pack, sorry. So we'll send him off up one of these hills and see how far he gets. Just for the record, and I'm saying it on camera, don't break it.
Don't break it. What is this concept?
What is this concept? What's that knocking noise? Sounds terrible. Did you break it? I was doing that knocking as you took off. I was about to say something.
Ooh.
Yeah, you broke something.
I broke something.
Flynn!
That sounds just like an axle. LSD. LSD's grab.
Oh, that is a lot of play.
It's because it doesn't have an axle connected in the diff. Probably that one.
Here we go, that's Flynn up there. He is he's calling home, seeing if he can get a transporter trailer down, because that wheel is really sloppy, because I believe it relies on the axle shaft for some support. I don't know how it works, but that's what they've been telling me, and there is no way you can drive home with or even just drive across the river with all that play. So yeah, and then we've got Dad and Susanna cruising off in the dead disco. Alright Flynn, you want to give us a quick update?
Well, the recovery vehicle's coming. Take me home. Because, yeah, that's it for the day.
Yeah.
Broken axle.
That's it for the trip.
That's it for the trip, yeah.
Game over.
Game
So yeah,
completely over.
Shane's bringing the tow wagon down and gonna chuck it on the trailer and tow it home, but pretty unfortunate, eh? But I mean, hey, he sent it. He gave it the send.
He sent it and then he bent it.
Absolutely.
Broke it.
So yeah, we're gonna just all jump back in Lando and leave Flynn here. He says he's happy, so we'll cruise on out of here, see if we find Dad and Susanna, and yeah, we'll go from there. They've got a river crossing and a bit of a climb, so we might see them there.
See you, mate.
I saw that, I was like, no, we can go straight there, rather than try and back it in more. Boof! well, there we have it. As usual, I forgot the outro. I swear I forget it every single time, but it's all good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. So did not go to plan. It was a bit of a shame not to get too much further on, but I mean, it is what it is. And yeah, with that, that's the last of the summer holiday vlogs done. As you can see, standing in front of Hundy, so hint hint, guess what's coming next next video. I hope you guys are enjoying the double uploads. It's keeping me so busy, but it's been wonderful with the channel. There's been heaps of new growth, so if you're new here, welcome, and for those who've been supporting for ages, much appreciated. Anyway, make sure to hit subscribe to stay tuned for everything else coming. Hit like if you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment down below of what you thought of it, and don't miss the blooper at the end. We'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers for watching. We'll see you then.
And here we see the mating display of the wild Land Rover, never before seen in the wild. Bonnets up and doors open, they each break down in attempts to attract a mate. Unfortunately, it seems, the blue one has mistakenly attracted a Honda Crossroad. They will never be able to produce viable offspring, and the mating will fail. A terrible tragedy.